Hi everyone, good morning from Batanes again. We're here in Sabtang Island. As you can see at my back is the Pacific Ocean. We're at the point where at the back there, Pacific Ocean, and if you see an island further off, you'll see Babuyan Islands over there. We're at the point where we're just one side and one side away from the Pacific Ocean and the West Philippine Sea as well. So, for this version of our Stock Smarts basic videos, I'd like to talk about initial public offerings, what they are, what do they mean, and what can they actually, how does it actually work, and what's in it for all of us. Basically, this is what it is. The stock market is there. It's available for companies that want to raise money, want to raise capital, probably for expansion, to grow their business more, or if they have existing debt, they just really want to minimize their debt. Of course, every company, the larger the debt they have, the more expensive it will be for them, and the more interest payments that will go on for a regular basis. So when they go into an IPO, it lessens their debt. They can actually use their money for expansion, and they can actually professionalize their service as well and professionalize the company, because if it's in the PSE, it will be held to certain standards also, that if they're a private company, hindi na siya basta-bastang magagawa. There are certain standards when a company is listed in the stock exchange, in the stock market, that they have to comply and they have to actually do. So now, when a company goes into the stock market, it's actually them selling their shares into the PSE. And what does it do? It allows you and I, it allows a lot of people who want to invest and buy those companies. You want to buy SM, you want to buy Jollibee, you want to buy Ayala. Since they're now listed in the stock market, you now have the ability to buy them wherever you are in the world, even if you're not in the Philippines. As long as you have a brokerage account that's connected to the PSE, it allows you to buy shares in the Philippines as well. So what's nice about that? When they go IPO, the company now becomes liquid. You can buy and sell a stock anytime. So now, the biggest question is this. Should you buy IPOs? It will go back to the very notion of how much you've studied the company as well. It will go back to the notion that, do you know the company? Is it actually growing? Is it actually expanding? The tip I would always give people is this. Look for companies that the proceeds of the IPO is used for expansion. Look for companies where the proceeds of the IPO is used to make the company better. So IPOs normally have a lot of would take a lot of time before it can actually list in the market. So rest assured that all of the financial details for you to be able to check and analyze if the company is good and growing is actually there. So I'll give you more updates on IPOs and how you can actually trade them, but I hope this simple snippet of what an IPO is would help you determine if it's worth buying or not. And at least for those who are not yet investing in the market, it gives you an ideology of what it really is. So this is Marvin Germo, live from Batanes. I hope this helps you trade well, trade strong, and trade smart.